1980 UK 1 penny coin. Today, we're diving deep into the history, the design, and the actual market value of the 1980 UK penny. Is it rare? Is it worth a fortune? Let us find out. To understand this coin, we have to go back to 1980. Britain was a decade into decimalisation. Before 1971, the UK used the old pounds, shillings, and pence system. By 1980, the new penny was no longer new. In fact, this was one of the last few years the coin actually featured the words new pence on the reverse. In 1980, the Royal Mint was working overtime. That year, they struck over 416 million of these pennies. To put that in perspective, that's enough coins to line up from London to New York and back. Because the mintage was so high, finding one today isn't hard, but finding one in perfect condition, that's where the story changes. Let us look at the anatomy of the 1980 penny. The obverse, you'll see the second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This portrait was designed by Arnold Machin and was used from 1968 all the way to 1984. The reverse, this features the crowned portcullis with chains, a badge originally associated with King Henry VII. The metal, this is a bronze coin. 97% copper, 0.5% tin, and 2.5% zinc. It's important to note that after 1992, pennies became copper-plated steel. The 1980 version is real bronze. It has a different ring to it and it doesn't stick to a magnet. Now, let's talk about the new pence rumor. You might see listings on eBay for thousands of pounds claiming a 1980 new pence penny is a rare error. Here is the truth: from 1971 to 1981, every single penny said new pence. It only became rare if a 1983 coin said it. So, if your 1980 penny says new pence, it's actually normal. Don't be fooled by clickbait listings. However, look for proof sets. The Royal Mint released polished, mirror-like versions for collectors in 1980. If you find one of those in a blue folder or a plastic slab, it's worth significantly more than one found in the dirt. So, what is it worth today? Circulated exactly 1p. Uncirculated mint state, if it's still bright red and has no scratches, a collector might pay 50p to £2. Proof version, usually around £3 to £5 depending on the toning. Errors, look for off-center strikes or clipped planchets where the coin looks like a bite was taken out of it. These are the real winners and can sell for £20 to £50 plus to the right buyer. The 1980 penny is a tiny piece of British history. It represents an era of transition and the solid bronze craftsmanship of the Royal Mint. While it might not make you a millionaire, it's a perfect starting point for any coin collector. Check your change. If you find one with a weird double stamp or a beautiful rainbow tone, keep it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more coin histories. What year should we cover next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.